The average car battery lasts 3 to 5 years. Most drivers accept that and keep buying replacements every few years, like it is an unavoidable expense. It is not. There is a smart battery charger that costs about $30, fits in the palm of your hand, and can make your battery last 8, 10, even 12 years. In Japan, where drivers go through some of the most rigorous vehicle inspections in the world, this type of maintenance tool is standard practice. In America, almost nobody uses one. No special skills required. No installation. You connect 2 clips and plug it into the wall. That is it. Today, I am breaking down exactly what this device does inside your battery, why it works, and which model to buy, depending on your situation. Stay until the end, because the math on this is ridiculous. And once you see the numbers, you will wonder why nobody told you about this sooner. Here is the thing. Your battery is not dying from old age. It is dying from a process called sulfation that is completely preventable. BatteryUniversity.com, one of the most respected independent battery research sources, has documented this in their comprehensive sulfation studies. Manufacturers like Noco have built patented technology around it, and a $30 investment can save you $500 over the next decade. Let me break it all down. Section 1. Why batteries really die. Before I show you the device, you need to understand what is actually killing your battery. Because once you understand the problem, the solution makes perfect sense. Your battery is not dying from old age. It is dying from a process called sulfation. Every time you start your car, lead reacts with sulfuric acid inside the battery to produce electricity. As a byproduct, small lead sulfate crystals form on the battery plates. That is completely normal. When you drive, your alternator pushes current back into the battery, and those crystals dissolve back into the acid. Also normal. But here is the problem. If you mostly drive short trips, to work, to the store, to pick up the kids, those trips are not long enough to fully recharge the battery. So the crystals never fully dissolve. Over time, they grow larger and harder until they become permanent. At that point, no amount of driving will remove them. Your battery is not worn out. It is choked by crystals that nobody told you how to prevent. This sulfation process accelerates rapidly once your battery voltage drops below 12.4 volts, which happens faster than most people realize. The TEPOA identifies heat, time, and vibration as the 3 main battery killers, but sulfation from chronic undercharging is what turns a 5-year battery into a 3-year battery, and it is almost entirely preventable. That is where this device comes in. Section 2. What a smart charger actually does. The device is called a smart battery charger, sometimes called a battery maintainer. It plugs into a standard wall outlet and connects to your battery with 2 simple clips. That is it. But what it does inside is where the magic happens. A smart charger monitors your battery's voltage in real time. When the charge drops, it sends current to top it off. When the battery is full, it stops. It cycles on and off automatically, so your battery stays at peak charge without ever being overcharged. This matters because overcharging is just as damaging as undercharging. A basic trickle charger from 20 years ago puts out a constant low current, whether your battery needs it or not. Leave it connected too long and it boils the electrolyte, dries out the plates, and kills the battery faster than doing nothing. A smart charger eliminates that risk entirely with what is called float charging technology. It thinks for you, but the better models do something even more valuable. They have a desulfation mode, and this is where most people have never heard of what I am about to tell you. Section 3. Desulfation, the real game changer. Desulfation mode sends precisely controlled, high-frequency, low-current electrical pulses into the battery. These pulses create small voltage spikes that can break apart soft sulfate crystals on the plates and convert them back into active material. This is not a gimmick. BatteryUniversity.com, one of the most respected independent battery research sources in the world, documents that controlled pulse conditioning can dissolve soft sulfate deposits in their BU 804b article on sulfation. Manufacturers like Battery Minder hold US patents specifically for this technology. And NOCO, one of the largest charger brands in the market, builds automatic desulfation into every Genius model they sell. Now, I want to be honest about expectations. Desulfation works well on mild to moderate sulfation, the kind that builds up from a few months of short trips and undercharging. If your battery has been sitting dead for 6 months or a year, the crystals have likely hardened permanently, and no charger will bring it back. This is not a miracle cure. It is a prevention tool. The earlier you start using one, the longer your battery lasts. Think of it like flossing. It does not fix a cavity, but it prevents one from ever forming. Section 4. Which one should you buy? There are 3 tiers depending on your needs and budget. For basic maintenance, the Battery Tender Junior at around $25 to $30 is reliable and gets the job done. It keeps your battery topped off and prevents overcharging. It does not have a dedicated desulfation mode, but it will maintain a healthy battery and prevent the undercharging that causes sulfation in the first place. For maintenance plus desulfation, the NOCO Genius one at about $30 is the sweet spot, and the one I recommend for most people. It automatically detects sulfation when you connect it and runs a desulfation cycle before switching to maintenance mode. It is rated for batteries up to 30 amp hours and has an integrated temperature sensor that adjusts charging based on whether it is hot or cold in your garage. And it works with lead acid, AGM, gel, and even lithium batteries. For $30, it is hard to beat. For dedicated desulfation on older or neglected batteries, the Battery Minder 1510 at around $50 to $60 uses a patented range of high-frequency pulses specifically designed to break down sulfate crystals. This is the one to get if you have a vehicle that sits for months, a seasonal car, a boat, an RV, or a lawnmower that kills batteries every year. All 3 will pay for themselves the first time they prevent a battery replacement. A new car battery, whether it is an Interstate, Diehard, or premium brand, costs $150 to $300. These devices cost a fraction of one battery and can protect your battery for years. Section 5. When to use it. Here is the simple rule. If your car sits for more than a week without being driven, a smart charger should be connected. Period. Even when the engine is off, your car is never truly off. The alarm system, the keyless entry module, the engine computer, the clock, they are all drawing small amounts of power from the battery constantly. This is called parasitic draw, combined with natural self-discharge, which runs about 3 to 5% per month at room temperature. A parked car can lose a meaningful amount of charge within a few weeks. And once the voltage drops below 12.4 volts, sulfation accelerates rapidly. Here are the situations where a smart charger is not optional. It is essential. If you have a second car that only gets driven on weekends, if you have a seasonal vehicle like a boat, motorcycle, RV, or convertible that gets stored for months, if you are a snowbird who leaves a car parked while you travel, if you work from home and only drive a few short trips per week, or if you just got a jump start, connect the charger that same night. Your alternator is designed to maintain charge, not to recharge a dead battery from scratch. A full overnight charge cycle of 8 to 12 hours is what the battery actually needs after a jump. Section 6. The math that makes this obvious. Let me put this in dollar terms, so it is impossible to ignore. The average driver replaces their battery every 3 to 5 years. At $150 to $200 per battery, including installation, that is roughly $50 a year, just in battery costs. Over 10 years, that is $500 or more on batteries. A $30 smart charger that extends one battery from 3 years to 6 or 7 years has already saved you the cost of an entire replacement. Extend it to 8 or 10 years, which is realistic with consistent use, and you have saved $200 to $300 from a single $30 investment. That is a 10-to-1 return on your money. And that does not even count the value of never being stranded in a parking lot with a dead battery, never needing a jump start, never missing an appointment, or calling a tow truck because your car would not start. That peace of mind is worth more than the money. A smart charger is the single best investment you can make for your car's battery. It costs less than a tank of gas. It takes 30 seconds to connect, and it quietly protects the one component that leaves you stranded when it fails. If you drive short trips, if your car sits for days at a time, or if you have ever had a battery die on you without warning, this is the fix. Not a bigger battery with higher cold cranking amps, not a more expensive brand, just a $30 device that does what your alternator was never designed to do. If this helped, subscribe and hit the bell. Drop a comment and tell me how long your current battery has lasted. I want to hear your numbers. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.